Hello and welcome to the first video of this instructional series on how to use Teams and all of your Office apps at home. So these are just short, simple videos to run through how to access things like your assignments, how to send emails and everything like that in terms of Teams and Office in general. Okay, so the first thing, if you are using a school laptop that you have borrowed to be able to work from home, as soon as you sign in using your school username and password, it should open up Teams automatically. You may need to give it just a couple of minutes for it to load up, but it should do this automatically. If it doesn't, you should see the Microsoft Teams icon on your desktop. So just give that a second to load up. Okay, so once that's loaded up, you can see on the left hand side there we have a menu of different functions and different pages. We've got activity, chat, Teams, assignments, okay, and we're going to look at how to access your assignments for your work in different classes. So there's two ways of doing this. The first one is to click assignments and you will see a list of all your assignments for all your classes there. Okay, so click one of those, whichever one you need to work on, and you can see that you've got instructions that your teacher has given you. Okay, take a good read of those because that's exactly what you need to do and what's expected of you. Okay, so once you're happy and you've read through those, you can see at the bottom it says My Work and you'll see documents that your teacher has given you. Just click that and it will open up in a Word document in Teams. From here you can start to edit your document as per your teacher's instructions, or complete any work that you have been set within that Word document. It's a live document, meaning that you can edit it and you don't need to save. You don't need to click File, Save. It will save automatically. Once you believe you have completed your work, you can click Close at the top in the top right hand corner. Now your teacher may have asked you to upload work instead, so you need to click underneath My Work and that document Add Work, and this enables you to upload a document. So this may be an extra presentation or another document that you need to add for your work. There's a sort of list of different ways you can upload that. So via OneDrive you can create a new file, or perhaps it could be a website link for some research that your teacher has asked you to do. So you can add all of that there. So that's any extra work that you need to upload to your assignment. Okay. So another way of doing this is to go onto that menu on the left hand side where it says Teams, and then you can see all of your classes. You can see all of your classes rather than all of your assignments in one go. So you can just click the specific class you need to go on to. In this instance it's Year 7 Music for this example. And along the top where we have Posts, Files, Class Book, Class Notebook, there is Assignments. Okay, so that's the way that you access the specific assignments for that class rather than seeing your full list of assignments for every class. And as you can see, it's exactly the same. It's the same assignment as we accessed through the assignment page instead. And once you have completed your work, you can click the Turn In or Hand In button on the right hand side of that assignment page, and then that will be sent to your teacher. You've handed your assignment in then. Okay, if you feel that you've made a mistake and you need to edit, you can undo that function and then go back and edit your work as you see fit. So if you haven't got a school laptop and you're using your own device, such as another laptop at home or even your Xbox or PlayStation, because you can access Teams through your Xbox and PlayStation as well, you simply need to go to your browser, whether that's Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Firefox or anything like that, and just Google Office 365 and it'll be the first one on Google. Just click Office 365 login, and you need to log in using your school email and password. So your email will be your first name dot your last name with any number you might have after your email address at taw.org.uk and your password. And you can see you get to this home page. On the left hand side you have all of your apps. Sort of near the bottom there's a purple icon. It's like got people on the icon, and it says Teams when you hover over it. You just click that and it will load up the Teams web app. It might come to this page where you will see it will say download the app, but you can just click this where it says use web app instead, or use web app, and you just click that and it will take you to the Teams homepage, your Teams homepage, and it's exactly the same as the desktop app, and you can access all of the assignments the same way, and it's really simple to use. Okay, so that's the other way if you haven't got it installed on your laptop or you haven't got a school laptop. Okay, so that's a really simple way of accessing your assignment and your works through Teams. Alright, thank you.